In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the purchase order to purchase invoices in the simplest way. So let's get started with this video. So the method is very simple, and you just have to consider that as if you don't remember that any purchase order is pending. So just start entering the bill for that vendor. Let's suppose that we are directly creating an invoice and we don't remember there is any purchase order. So just select Shahid. It will automatically recommend you that an open purchase order exists. Do you want to convert it? So yes, select that purchase order, click OK. And now let's mention the date, 26th of January. Mention any reference number. We have the reference number of the invoice and the purchase order reference is 49. So bill due date is, let's make it due on receipt or something like net 15 days. Actually, let's make it due on receipt. So let's copy and paste this memo here, and that's it. Let's save and new. It says you have changed the terms. So yes, continue with it and go back. Now I'll go to the reports, because when we convert purchase order to purchase invoice, it will affect the accounts. And what is the entry for it? It will be debit inventory and credit payable. So let's go to reports and click on transaction journal report. So exactly this entry, inventory is debit, although it's making a separate entry for each single item. So debit inventory and credit accounts payable. So guys, this is how you can convert the purchase orders to purchase invoice in QuickBooks.